Two cops perish in a motor vehicle crash in Clarendon. The police high command expresses condolences. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The male and female police constables who died from injuries they sustained in a motor vehicle crash in Clarendon on Sunday have been identified. The deceased have been identified as Jessica West and Sean Atkins, members of the Area 3 Ops team. Police reports are that on Sunday, September the 15th, a group of law enforcement officers were responding to an assignment where three suspects on motorcycle were seen along the Yorktown Main Road. On reaching a section of the town, the service vehicle picked up a skid and the driver lost control of the vehicle, which overturned. The injured Jamaica Constabulary Force members were rushed to hospital, where both constables West and Atkins were pronounced dead. Two other policemen, one of them a sergeant and the other a constable, have been admitted in but stable condition. The police investigation continues. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.